Good morning. It's Andrea from Doing Business as Yourself. And this morning, what I did is I'm still at the very beginning of making this YouTube channel, giving its footer, its sort of foundation level stuff. So I decided to look into doing the header art, which is called the uh, channel art in YouTube. And so what I'm using is called Canva, canva.com. You can create a free account. And I think I log in through Facebook, so it makes it really easy. And what I did is I went in here, and the very first page looks like this, without all these little things. These are my own uh, little design things that I've done. So I've also done my thumbnail images in here as well. So what I do is what I did for this header art is I came in here and I clicked on more. And then I scrolled down to quite a ways to social media and email headers, and I chose YouTube channel art, and that is the correct current dimensions. So I just clicked on that. It opens a new page, and um, the next thing I did was I scrolled through. They bring up these layouts that they've already pre-set up, and so don't worry about the picture behind, because you can go pick your own picture. Or not. You can use the picture that they've provided. Actually, I don't know if that's true. I think you would be stuck with whatever picture is in this preview one. If you wanted to use your own picture, you would upload it here and then drag it into the space. But we're looking for a really fast implementation here, because this channel is still in process and in formation, and we don't know exactly what things are going to turn out like, or what we're going to want, visually or anything. So we really just want to fill in the blanks, at least for now. And if it stays forever, then fine. If it's an iteration that you change up 3 months from now, that's fine too. But you really want to be getting things in place and not spend a whole ton of time getting ready to get ready. You want to get into the doing that's going to be drawing an audience part. So the object of my exercise this morning was to create something that would suit for the moment. So I picked this one, and you click on it, it pre-fills, and you can go in here and you can click on any of these elements and customize the colors and customize the fonts. Double clicked, I can customize the font here. So I highlighted over here and I chose a font that I liked, and I retyped what I needed to type. I think I have mine over here. So this is what it turned out like. You can see it's quite a bit different from what it started as. Started this way, and it turned into this, which is more me. And so then I saved it. So I downloaded it. Actually, before that, what you can do is right here, you can actually click here and name it whatever you want to name it, which will be the file name. And then download it. I didn't change anything here. I just download it, and it'll go to wherever your downloads land. Usually it's a download file. And then I went into my YouTube channel. I logged into my YouTube, and I'm actually viewing this right now as a subscriber. So if I go back to Doing Business as Yourself, well, as a subscriber is fine too, but you don't go there directly when you're logging in. So yours will look like this. Oh, it's looking the same. Anyway, point is, you click on the, it did it itself without even, we're going to click on this, click on the banner area where it says the channel art icon, and it allows you to select a photo from your computer. You navigate to where it was downloaded, and just click upload and or open, and it'll populate. So the only caveat I have for this is I started fiddling with. So you see how this is not filling out the whole screen, the whole, it could be bigger typeface. I'm always like bigger, bigger, bigger with some of the fonts. Rather than doing that, try and stay like within the parameters that they've got here, because what they've done is they've allowed for other stuff that goes on the channel, which is things like your in some places this will actually overlay a little bit onto the text, and over here you can actually add some social media buttons. So they've already accounted for that. So don't like try and rearrange things. Just try and update to your words and your titles. Okay. All right. So that's the quickest way. I think I spent 15 minutes fiddling with it, and I came to something that was okay, good enough for now. And that's really what we need in place so that we can move forward as quickly as possible to the stuff that actually brings us to eventually having income streams from our audiences that we're serving. Alrighty, so click a like on the video if you liked it, and a dislike if you didn't, because it actually helps the video either way. And subscribe to the channel if you'd like to receive these updates from my channel. You have to click on the notification bell also, and that'll give you automatic updates. Cool. So this is video number 3 or 4, and we march on. Have a great day.